Good evening from SWATChasers.com. We are bringing you a severe weather briefing for April 19th, 2011, as we're monitoring what could be a very potentially significant severe weather event that could take place across Indiana during the day on Tuesday. The Storm Prediction Center does have nearly the entire state under a moderate risk, basically south of a Lafayette to Fort Wayne line, and that does mean there will be an increased potential for widespread damaging winds and possibly strong tornadoes. Here at SWATChasers.com, we're expecting generally the same thing as the Storm Prediction Center, with an enhanced risk of severe weather across most of Indiana and into Illinois. What we'll be watching very closely tomorrow afternoon is the first round of severe thunderstorm development, which will start in eastern Illinois as discrete thunderstorms or supercells begin to develop. These supercells will race east-northeast across the I-70 corridor, basically along a warm front, and the potential for tornadoes is quite high into the early evening hours. As we head into the later portions of the day, and especially into early Tuesday night, we'll be watching round number 2 of the severe weather event that'll develop, and we're expecting a squall line to form, or a line of severe thunderstorms, in Missouri and Illinois, and these will race towards Indiana, producing damaging winds and embedded tornadoes. Taking a look at one of our forecast models, or actually first the National Weather Service's surface analysis for tomorrow. As I stated, part of the problem is we're going to have a warm front that'll be draped across the area. Warm fronts, typically when they interact with severe thunderstorms, cause churning or cause wind shear, and that a lot of times can cause those thunderstorms to produce tornadoes. That warm front's an area that we'll be monitoring very closely for tornadic development tomorrow afternoon. And as I said, we're expecting the I-70 and just north of the I-70 corridor to be under the gun by late tomorrow afternoon into the evening. One of our forecast models is showing the warm sector, which is this orange line lifting all the way up across Indiana. And as you can see, it's breaking out showers and thunderstorms by late tomorrow evening. That warm front and warm sector allow the atmosphere to destabilize and allow for rapid thunderstorm development by tomorrow afternoon. As I said, with that second round of severe weather, we're expecting a squall line. Our high-resolution forecast model is already picking up on that, showing a squall line extending basically from Michigan down into Mississippi. That squall line will race across Indiana as we head into the late night and early Wednesday morning hours. Tornado safety, of course, if a tornado warning is issued for your area, you should activate your tornado plan for your family, and you should stay away from windows or go to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor. Of course, get under sturdy furniture or in a bathtub, and if you're in a car or mobile home, you should seek sturdy shelter immediately. Of course, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes. A tornado warning means a tornado is imminent and has been indicated by Doppler radar or has been spotted by storm chasers or storm spotters. Of course, follow us tomorrow all day as we'll be chasing across Indiana. We'll also provide you with weather updates throughout the day as the situation unfolds on SWATChasers.com. Thanks for watching and have a great evening.